Hello friends, this is tutorial number 3 in this Scala programming language tutorials. Okay, we talk a little about variables and data types in the previous tutorial. Now I will delete all of this from previous tutorial. Okay, if you want to save it, you can. Maybe the best way to save, you can just use WordPad or Word document to, if you want to save exercise. Okay, I will do everything in this package. And now we want to continue. We will talk a little more about variables. We want to create one simple application that we also did in other courses. Okay, we will do a similar or same exercise. We want to create one driver license example. Okay, and let's create a couple of variables. Okay, variable, it will be name, first name. Okay, for now I will type a string, will be equals to John, and we need variable last name, also string equals to Doe. Variable age will be 30 and it will be int. We will have a variable driver license, will be char equals to, it will be B. And we will have variable car model, which also will be string equals to Fiat, and it will be string, not a char. Okay, with double quotes. And we will need, and it will be car brand. It's a brand, Fiat is a brand. And we need a car model, will be also string equals to punto. And now we want to print all of these data, and we will need a text. And let's start. First, print a line. Let's print couple of stars. Okay, and let's start with first name. Print a line, and we need, it will be first name as a text. First name. We will use here we can use concatenation plus we will use variable first name. Okay, with control space we can see when we type something, option of Eclipse, like we did the same thing in Java. And let's print line. I can use mixed both methods. Now we will do with s, and we will type last name, and we will use dollar and curly braces, and we will type last, now control and space. Okay, with control and space now we see the option last name, and that will be good. Okay, and now let's continue. Print line, age, and we need dollar curly braces, and we need variable age. Okay, let's continue. Now let's type print line, and let's use concatenation again. Driver license plus variable driver drive, and control S. Okay, here it is, driver license. Okay, we have left car brand and car model. Let's type print line, car brand, and we will use variable car brand. And now let's type a car model, car model, and we need dollar and curly braces, and we will use variable car model. Okay, that would be fine, and we can also use couple of stars to be prettier. Okay, that would be fine. Okay, we use a text, and we also use with our variables. Okay, we have mixed a little. Here we used concatenation in the first name, and also we use in the driver license simple concatenation. I just want to show you that both will works. And here we used as a string, but when we want to use some variable inside the string, inside the text, we use a dollar with curly and open and closed curly braces, and inside the curly braces we write the name of the variable. Now we will see how it will gonna work. Let's save first, Control and S, and now let's see. Okay, we can move this. Okay, as you can see, here is our output. We have in our compiler, first name is John, last name is Doe, age is 30, driver license is B, car brand Fiat, and car model Punto, which works perfectly fine, as you can see. And if we just using a text, or we are using concatenation, the result is the same. And just I will tell you once again, when you need some text, you can choose both, or you can select one which you prefer most. Okay, I will use okay, sometimes, mostly I will use with S, and as a text, and inside I will use this dollar and curly braces. If you like more this simple concatenation as we did in Java. Okay, it works perfectly fine in Scala also. Okay, that was the simple one application in Scala. Okay, like we did in any other languages. And now you saw how it looks like in Scala, and I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.